Good evening, everyone, and we get into sad news emerging this evening, or breaking news this evening, is that an accident or fatal accident has occurred at Duka Moja along Kericho Nakuru Highway involving two vehicles, a private car, probox, and a truck. It is said that the driver of the probox was trying to overtake several vehicles or trying to overlap. While he was doing that, he came on a head-on collision with the oncoming truck. It is reported that all passengers who are in that private car, or 6 passengers, have lost their lives and one has been rushed to hospital. Investigations are going on to determine the cause of the accident. Continue following us on this YouTube channel for more news.